sweet. We love you.
Joey. Hi,
Do you miss
Joey.
your hunter? Well, yeah, because he's been a part of my life.
Hi, Joey. Hi.
There's a baby.
Joey, want a cracker? Joey, want a cracker?
He's walking back to his cage, Hunter. Isn't that cute?
Good birdie, Jojo.
Hunter? Are you still there, my son? I love you. I love talking to you. I'm so glad when you call me. Makes me happy.
Oh, poor Jojo.
Because then I know you're doing okay.
Oh, he got it. He got this.
Joey's 30 years old.
Yeah,
What?
Joey's 30 years old, Hunter.
Huh?
Yep.
Yeah.
He was here before Hunter was.
Yeah.
He's seen Hunter when Hunter was a baby.
Yeah, he's 30. What, baby?
Oh, he's laughing. Joey's laughing.
Okay.
Hi, Joey. Hi.
If that's what you want, Hunter.
Joey, want a cracker?
Joey's a good bird. Joey's a good bird.
Birdie.
Yeah, he's a bird. A good bird.
He's cute, huh?
Joey's a bad bird.
When you were a little baby, Hunter,
Sometimes Joey is a baddie bird.
you were just laying down on the couch.
Joey's a good bird.
He came up out of nowhere and got on your back. And we couldn't get him off you, and he was laughing. And
He was
didn't hurt
protecting.
you.
He was protecting you. He didn't want us to come around.
Yeah,
You were his.
yeah, and he was laughing. And I go, Joey, please don't hurt my son, my baby.
He doesn't hurt babies.
And he doesn't. And he loves you so much, he needed to be on top of you. And I was scared, I'm not going to lie. I was like, I didn't know what to do. My mom came and got the stick and asked him to hop on the stick and took him back to his cage. But for those
Joey.
few moments that he was on your back,
Hi, Joey.
he felt like he had you all to himself. And he was guarding you, Hunter. And he laughed.
Hi.
He
Hi.
He thought you were his
funniest
baby.
thing. Yeah. He was like,
Toot.
he was
Hi.
so proud. Okay. Hunter, I'm going to let you go because I don't want you to have bad behavior there.
Hi, Joey.
Do
Cracker?
you want me to let you go take your nap? Okay, love you.
Hello? Hello?
You don't want me, bud.
Hello?
No, he was.
Hello?
Oh, no, because your